In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to filter unanswered comments by admin in WordPress. To filter the unanswered comments, first you need to install and activate the Unanswered Comments plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now, go to Comments, and here you have extra filter options called non-replied and non-replied top level here. You can just click on them, and all the unanswered comments will be displayed here. This is how you can filter unanswered comments by admin in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.